I want to show you our new net for the birdies. It's called a Get a Grip net. The size is medium long. We had like little buckets with toys and treats and everything. Here's Hedwig and Ashley, our cockatiel, who laid an egg yesterday. She'll probably lay another one tomorrow. Come over here. There's Emma playing on the net. See the basket over there? Let me show you how big it is. It's 6 feet long. We got our hide and peek ball, and it goes all the way across the room to Ashley's cage. Let's see if we see any more birds. I don't know if you can see. Let's come over here. Cody and me are up there too. And there's Dewey and Sierra. Hey Dewey and Sierra. Hey. Where's BB? There BB. You cutie. Hey BB. Hey BB. Evie's on me. You know he loves the net. And what we did is put our Java tree up there, hung some toys. We also got a grapevine perch, real cool, and it goes all the way up to the hide and peek ball. There's Cody and Mia. There's Mia. Cody's up there. And Errol. I don't know if we can find Errol. And you and Hedwig stop fighting. Be nice. An Amazon and a budgie. Do not recommend it. Do not recommend it at all. Alrighty. Thank God they can all fly. They get too much from each other, they just kind of fly away. Where's the baby? Where's Errol? He's so little I lost him. Oh, he's somewhere up here. Let me see if I can find him. Oh, there he is. There's Errol. Errol and Ashley. And Emma. Alrighty. Catch y'all later.